King Charles's reign breaks records as the wettest ever, dampening previous monarchs' rule.
Before we continue this video, please support this channel by like and subscribe.
King Charles's reign has been the soggiest on record and rainier than any of his predecessors since the early 1800s, according to UK scientists. Brits have suffered the wettest weather on record since 1836 in the 18 months since the king ascended to the throne, Professor Ed Hawkins of Reading University revealed yesterday, citing the Earth's increasingly warm atmosphere which has caused higher levels of rainfall. Met Office analysis shows the Caroline age has also been considerably damper than both Elizabethan and Victorian times, according to analysis by the National Center for Atmospheric Science. Professor Ed Hawkins, climate scientist in the university's meteorology department, says, winters have been getting steadily wetter over the last century, and the past 18 months have been the wettest on record for England. Coincidentally, this has been the exact 18 months since the passing of Queen Elizabeth II. The atmosphere is warmer now than a century ago, and so has more water in it. This means when you get really heavy downpours there's more water to come out. So, when it rains more. While rainfall trends have varied over time, with February 2023 being the driest in 30 years, long-term the changes are easier to detect, he added. Rainfall over the UK is always very variable and always has been, Professor Hawkins adds. And, although we can still expect to get some dry periods, the overall trend under King Charles is likely to be towards us having more rain. The accepted wisdom is the UK is getting wetter winters and slightly drier summers, and that's what we are seeing in the south, but we are probably seeing slightly wetter summers in the north. But scientists warn that this doesn't mean there will be an end to dry spells, droughts and water shortages. These are expected to continue, especially in summer, as weather patterns become more pronounced. But currently the UK remains soggy, and is set for more than 100 millimeters of rain, around double the average for March, this week. The washout, expected until Thursday, March 14th, is a result of a band of low pressure moving in from the west. But the Met Office said it isn't concerned at the moment as the rain is expected to hit drier areas of the UK, those that have avoided recent prolonged downpours which marred February, and the start of this month.